Good evening, midship students. Welcome to this daily setup with MBL for FX students. Here we have the treasury. It has currently fallen, fallen. Down to the buy zone. Is it going to go higher? We don't know. DXY in comparison has also fallen down to this area. The spike was, or the gap was triggered by the um, Turkish lira or Turkey increasing interest rates and then kicking off the central bank governor, increasing risk. Though you're not allowed to trade, or you can't trade Turkish because nobody's giving you any interest for that one, so don't really bother. Sorry, there's no liquidity providers that wants you to trade because there's nobody on the other side. It's 100% buyers and no sellers of the big boys. So that is kind of the buy for tomorrow if you're thinking of adding on Aussie. But still, remember, this is the line for bullishness. And is this a great buy? Not really, but if you're just thinking of it, okay. Maybe something small then, something small something. Target is 81, I think it is. Different. I would probably give it different answers, different days. Euro dollar, 1917, 1900, 1957, sorry, and higher, depending on where we land up in London tomorrow morning. Can we just go higher in Asia? Most probably, yes. It is a range, so it's only if you want to. And I don't think this is a good double bottom, but it could be a double bottom. So that could be the first stepping stone. But also do remember 1800, 1850 still is a good idea. So don't take much here. If it goes higher from here, take your blessings. Pound, dollar, absolutely terrible at the moment. Well, maybe, yes, but no. I don't consider this to be a good buy zone. I probably want higher high, higher low, if anything at all, but this uptrend here, okay, sorry. This is broken here. This is broken here, here, or here. So you have two uptrends broken. Leave them alone. Going higher. Pound yen. Maybe buying it. So the thing is, dollar, yen, pound. Sorry, pound is very weak. Yen is also weak. Many retail traders are selling this one, so maybe it should rise because of that. I don't know, but it is a range box. New lower low, by the way, on the 4-hour, and maybe 151 area to sell and 151.50 to sell. Choose your battles. Choose your battles. New Zealand, yeah, maybe. Actually coming down now to the buy, but it's still a range. Still a range. Other than that, good night, goodbye. So I would not trade that. Use the cat for selling? No. 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 I would wait for 1st of April for this. Okay? 1st of April. Okay. Ready? Set? Go! Australian dollar yen. Pretty good sell point, but also the other one is up here then. If not, both of them are okay to sell from. If you are a buyer, would this be a good buy for you? Bye-bye, Johnny. Bye-bye, S1. S1 all links to R1. And that's a range, so I don't like that. And from last week, reaching R1, coming down here, should then have gone down to 83 before going higher. But okay, I digress. No trading, not good trading here. Euro yen. Range, but higher. Range, but higher. Okay. Also, yen really haven't gone this strength. See, no strength. No strength. So I can't really make you buy it. Other than that, New Zealand dollar, yen. It's more New Zealand falling more than anything else. But, you know, I wouldn't mind coming down to 77 to take it up again. But yeah, that's me. Gold. Live in the hope of this going higher. If it doesn't go higher, break even. Don't buy anything extra. Wait for it to break higher. Okay. US oil has been difficult today. I know some of you sold it today, and this is the first attempt at 62. If not, 64, 63.85. So yeah, pretty good still. This was the buy price of 60. If you got that, if you bought it and then sold, both of them are valid. And just wait for what to see, what happened. Silver is new low, so I don't care. Net gas is currently rising. So that has broken out higher. It hasn't turned, though, but as long as it was below here, it will be bearish, but it's no longer anymore. So we will just take it from there. Waiting and waiting and waiting. FX Street, economic calendar for tomorrow. I don't remember being anything. Yeah. Maybe the most important thing for this week, but other than that, nah. I did take that away with purpose. I don't think anything is important today. And Chicago National Activity Index is less than impressive. And 3.85 interest rate in China. The Westpac Consumer Survey, 105 over 98. Okay, great. So what to look for, PMIs and the unemployment rate, nothing else. Trade balance, sorry, that is more important than anything else here for New Zealand. Trade balance, trade balance, trade balance, trade balance. If that's great or if it's not great, that will turn the New Zealand up or down. Not a lot, but have a look at it, okay? Have a look at it. For the New Zealand, for the things on my webinar, the things of my, have them been invited to some webcast things. Okay, great, thank you. And so this thing here, where we on yens have flipped the let me show you. Does it show you that? Like the yen historically, it goes from bullish, 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 oh bear. So yeah, as you can see on as you can see as asset managers, they're buying, buying, and buying, and then they say goodbye, boom. And then for the pound, I want you to look at pound. It's rising. It's not greatly awesome, but it's rising at the moment. So that's interesting. That is great downwards for them. Euro positioning, where you can see the asset managers adding. But leverage fund hasn't. So they don't believe in the European economy. So that is pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. The aggregate sum of euro, yen, pound, Swissy, CAD, Aussie, New Zealand, Mexican, Birlu, and Rube has now increased. It's been falling over 2020 and then rising. So I need to look into that more. So long Aussie New Zealand versus, so all the way through long Aussie. Okay. So this one should be lower. Should it be? And then it spiked up to 4.9 here. Okay, interesting. When you look into this though, when you look into this more. Then we can probably go down to gold. Where was gold? Gold. And we have gold. I can find it. Okay, here we are. Gone higher, 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 and falling. That's currently the price. It probably is the price. The positioning, we have gone higher, 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 falling, and then fell. We're not down to the ground as of 2018-19 area, but it's not great. So we will hope for it to rise again. We'll hope for it to rise again. For euro, the changes are to the lower side, which we know. Yen is the lower side. The Aussie is actually upwards, and the other ones are just doing whatever they're doing. Okay. Yeah, have a good day. Have a good trading day. Don't do things I don't do. And be smart, be clever, be awesome. Boom.